In this video, I'm going to show you how to analyze images with Claude. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to start a new chat inside Claude, and you could either drag and drop your image you want to analyze, or you could click on the plus button here, click on add files or photos, and then select your files, okay? Now, I'm just going to drag and drop a sample over here. This is going to be just like an AI generated receipt over here. And what I want to do here is go to the chat box and type in, I want you to analyze this image. Please tell me what it is, for example, what it is. Tell me what the receipt is about, okay? So of course you can type it whatever you want. So I have a receipt over here. You have to provide it kind of a lot of info on what you would like to analyze and what you want to get from this analyzing the image over here. So if it's like a different image, you want to tell it, I want text from it, I want to know what it's about, I want to know how many of something there are on, etc. Okay, so it could analyze pretty much anything. You can just of course press enter whenever you're done, and there we go. Now it's going to start analyzing your image. Usually this is going to take a few seconds, and as you can see, there we go, it says stand by. You can wait for a few seconds and it's going to give you a full breakdown of your image. So here, as you can see, it actually analyzed my image over here, which was an image of a receipt looking like this over here, and it told me exactly what I wanted to know. Okay, it told me what it is, it told me what the receipt is about, the transaction details, etc. Okay, so that's essentially how to analyze images. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.